Okay, so beautiful Union, Kentucky. There is a bird's nest right here. This is a Kong Armor deck paint system that we did this spring. Sorry, it's hot, humid out here. There's a bird's nest right here. Well, like of our customers, my customer here, one of my best customers, he has a little pug, and he attempted to claw his way through the deck floor. Look at this beautiful deck, by the way. Absolutely gorgeous. KongArmor.com. Anyways, cross striations. You see these cross striations here? He heard these baby birds and was trying to claw through this to get down to them. Now, here's the power of Kong Armor. Typically, these guys would be out. They would have to repair this themselves and deal with it. But being Kong Armor customers, being in good standing with the company, and just being excellent people, we'll take care of it for them for absolutely free. And that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to open up some industrial elastomer here. And obviously he's damaged the wood, and this is not a I'll show you guys here. This deck has a lot of floor damage as it is, so it's not something where we're going to make repairs or anything like that. We're just going to simply patch this back in with elastomer. I've wiped it down real well with a cloth, damp cloth. So we'll take it and we're going to do a super simple, easy repair here. This will be quick, and then they'll be back to the races. Super thick build, Kong Armor. Like pudding, man. Just wipe that real well. This deck system is really new. I mean, it's only a couple months old. So this is going to blend right in. This repair will blend right in without any color fade issues or come in here. Now this elastomer will lock down all this loose debris, little wood chunks that you see. That's the power of elastomer. That's the power of Kong Armor. It's able to go over this stuff without very much preparatory, on a little spot like this, without very much preparatory issues. You can see where he's dug here a lot. There we go. I'll leave this extra for my customer. Lodge Brown. We'll let that dry. But they're back to the races. Warrantied and serviced for free. Will your deck painter do that for you? I don't think he will.